Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Auxbeam 5In V Ultra Series 172W LED Light Pods. Employ industry-leading P8 LED chips, total outputs 172W of power, emitting a super bright 20400 lm and remarkable 400% increase in luminous flux. Bring a new experience to our travel. Besides, high-efficiency reflective cup design ensures focused lighting. Number 2. Piaa DKX 575E Auxiliary Lamps. LPX Series Auxiliary Lights Kit, featuring LED for a potent beam output, illuminating your path like never before. Certified under ECE R112, lamps deliver outstanding performance while adhering to legal standards. Offers selectable daytime running light, DRL, rim illumination, adding functionality and a touch of style to your vehicle. Number 3. Auxbeam 7In Round Offroad Lights with Black Covers Combo Kit. The latest low-energy consumption LED is used as the DRL in the center. As in super bright auxiliary illumination, Auxbeam 7In driving light pods complements the farther distance for your driving, maximizing the light output and expanding the maximum visual range of driving, providing the safest driving light for you. Number 4. Auxbeam Upgraded Bright 7In Round LED Headlights. High beam, 16,000 lumens per pair, low beam, 8,000 lumens per pair, glorious clean bright light and have a widespread projection, can see clear for a great distance. It also features built-in DRL, white light, turn signal, amber light. The startup welcome design is cool and impressive. Number 5. Auxbeam 100W Round LED Light Pods 4In. Auxbeam 7In round headlights providing ample light and really lights up the roads. The sharp Z cutoff on low beam, a very concentrated even high beam, you can see clear for a great distance. Z pattern allows bright light in your lane without blinding oncoming drivers, making the road brighter, and these do not have any dead spots.